If you want to lose weight and eat McDonald's, here is how you can make the easiest and tastiest low-calorie and high-protein McChicken. In a bowl, add chicken mince or ground chicken, then add the seasonings listed on screen, mix it together and form 3 even patties. On a separate plate, add breadcrumbs mixed with the seasonings listed on screen, then coat each piece of chicken evenly, spray them with some light cooking oil spray, and bake them in the oven or air fryer with the settings on screen. Toast up your Aldi brioche buns, add the chicken, shredded lettuce, and spread light mayonnaise on the top bun, and that's it. This is seriously such an easy and healthier alternative.